Today we are going to be doing a tutorial of the entire Olaplex line from numbers 1 through 7, and I am so excited to show you guys. So for those of you who don't know Olaplex, it is a line catered to repairing and restoring damaged hair. And it's especially wonderful for us as hairstylists because we can protect your hair and do these amazing transformative color processes and make sure your hair feels wonderful. So that's what I'm going to prove to you guys today on my beautiful model Anna, and I can't wait to show you guys. Number 1, bond multiplier. This is the first step that rebuilds broken disulfide bonds and begins the process of preventing damage and repairing hair. Here I mixed 30 grams of lightener with 1/4 ounce of Olaplex. If the consistency is too loose, you guys can add more lightener to thicken it up. And if you're confused about the measurements, I'll leave a link below to the Olaplex chart so you guys can click on that and look at how to exactly measure this for your salon or at home. Usually layering bleach on already previously highlighted hair would end up with gooey ends or over-processed hair, but since we're using this product, it's going to strengthen her hair and keep it healthy and nice and strong. The next step is the number 2 bond perfector. After your client is finished processing, bring them back to the bowl and thoroughly rinse their hair. Once finished, towel dry their hair and apply a generous amount of Olaplex number 2. Comb it through their hair to make sure it's evenly distributed. Then leave it on for a minimum of 10 to 20 minutes. Here I'm adding a soft root melt to Anna's hair because she likes a really soft grow out, and I'm also going to tone her hair to a nice icy ashy blonde, and I'll leave all this information below with the formulas, so if you guys like this color you can replicate it at home or in the salon. Number 3, hair perfector. To clarify, this is an at-home treatment that I won't be showing here, but it is applied the same way as the number 2. Apply on towel-dried hair and leave it in for 10 to 20 minutes. Next is the number 4 bond maintenance shampoo. This shampoo protects and repairs damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking broken bonds. What I loved about this shampoo is how much it lathered, and it was super lightweight in Anna's hair. After shampooing, apply the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This is a highly moisturizing, reparative conditioner, and it's for all hair types. I really love the consistency and also the minty feeling it left after conditioning her hair. Next is the number 6 Balm Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream that eliminates frizz, hydrates, and protects all hair types. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating the product on the mid-length and ends. Comb through and style as desired. This product is incredibly weightless, but also so strong when it comes to smoothing hair and keeping it nice and soft. The last step is the number 7 bonding oil. This is a highly concentrated, weightless reparative styling oil. Dramatically increases shine, softness, and color vibrancy. What I love about this product is that it's a reparative styling oil and it adds tons of shine to my client Anna's hair. As you can see, we significantly lightened Anna's hair, but it's maintained a healthy texture and isn't damaged at all. If we hadn't used this product, it would look nowhere near as healthy and as strong as it does now. This hair care system is the only one of its kind that rebuilds broken bonds. If you're looking for something to help repair you or your client's hair, I highly recommend this entire system in the salon or for your use at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe down below, and hit me up in the comments if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.